attendance? OA! OA sa hila! I don't know, Kuya, if kaya ko pa magpatuloy here, but right now, I just want to go home. Alam mo yung exam, Marie Chris, hindi dinadaan sa all-nighter at kape yan. Ina-earn yan!
Isang mapagpalayang pagpupugay sa ating mga bagong scholar ng bayan.
At syempre, bilang mga kapwa mag-aaral dito sa universidad, we don't want you to feel alone during your adjustment phase dito sa campus.
Kaya naman from the LRC office, here are some tips to get by the UPLB life. Don't shy away from attending pre-semestral college orientations and discussions. Kadalasan, ito ay pinaprepare ng college at ng mga organizations in which they provide helpful tips na siguradong magagamit mo sa UPLB life.
Once you receive your awesome account, take time to explore it. It contains important information such as housing options, organizations that match your interests, scholarship opportunities, and other student services. Bukod pa dyan, make sure to navigate your AMIS account as well since it keeps your academic records.
Once you receive your schedule, maglaan ng oras para mag-roam around the campus or sumali sa mga campus tours. Take note of the buildings where your classes will be held as well as other key landmarks na dinadaanan ng rutang kanan at kaliwa ng jeepney.
At higit sa lahat, don't forget to bond with your super classmates dahil sila ang makakasama mo sa lahat ng courses at maaaring maging support system sa pag-navigate ng inyong first semester sa L.
But sometimes, the adjustment can feel really heavy.
Kaya naman, huwag mahihiyang lumapit sa Office of Counseling and Guidance under OVCSA to help take care of your mental wellness.
The UPLB life isn't easy, but it does get better, lalo na kung handa ka at hindi ka nag-iisa. Padayon, Batch 2025!
Woo!